Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust brightness, contrast and sharpness on your DREAME TV. To do that, first press the gear button on your remote control and then navigate to the picture tile. Here enable the preferred picture mode first and then scroll down to brightness, contrast, sharpness and also saturation and HUE settings, which you can adjust by moving the levelers either to the left to decrease the values for the settings or to the right to increase them. And this way we can adjust the sharpness level, the brightness level, the contrast level and basically everything else that we want to change on this TV. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.